I am here vibing with one of the biggest voices in all of the entertainment industry. His parents named him Errol King, but we know him as
Jigsy King, you know.
Father Jiggsy. Oh, think so?
Cool boss, man. Go easy, no, man. Go easy, man.
It's a joy, brother.
My happiness, brother. Now you me not teach them the band like no time at all. Teach them. You know you're big, you're bad and heavy. Anything this teach them, I go bury teach them. You know you're big, you're bad and take it to them. Teach them the band like no time at all.
Teach them. Always make sure the message I reach them.
Father Jiggsy, how is everything?
We have life, you know. I don't know if we have life, anything can come out from that, you know. So we give thanks and praise for life. So life is the greatest thing. But anything else on earth.
Makes sense. Talk to us though. Early life, place of birth.
Kingston, you know.
Kingston.
Yeah, you don't know, my mother and country woman, you know, left and Lindsay come at town as a town man and fall in love with town man. You know, town man full of tricks. So my father tricked my mother and say, stay here, son, will you understand?
Yeah.
And you don't know from this, so, you know, around 7 now, you know, because my father skill, you know.
Yeah.
Come my place named Bower Bank, you know.
Bower Bank.
There's no card at all, you know. We want to upgrade it to our bank, but a Bower Bank name still. So you don't know, so my mother country woman come from Lindsay, and you don't know my father a town man, you know. So from this, so born at town and forward come a Lindsay.
Okay. At what age did you move to Linstead?
As a little youth, you know.
As a little youth.
Because we like talk it in a real way as a little youth, me chat, you know, and no disrespect to town, you know.
Yeah.
But me give all praises down at Linstead. All praise, yeah, straight out.
How many siblings you had?
Around 7, you know.
And all of them are for mommy and daddy?
One father was a gringo, yeah, man. Yeah, man, they're bad, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, no, but after some sister pop up, there's some more brother pop up. There's a boy, daddy boy, and bad, yeah.
So the siblings, though, all of them are still around?
One drop out, my sister, Jigsy King, you know.
My condolences, brother.
Yeah, me love her so much, you know, and me miss her so much.
Mommy and daddy still around?
Daddy drop out to the gringo drop out.
The old man pass off.
Yeah.
My condolences. How is mommy, though?
My mother, my life. They both said we and Ragamuffin said we, you know, sell our things them in the market, said we. Yeah, you can't go on her. Try to take a peanut or cash for them.
Problem.
That girl a thump quick.
Schooling?
All right, no. Schooling, no. Keep it real, no. I also attend Linstead all age.
Yeah.
Linstead all age. Then me leave go to Dental Technical High School. You understand? And then from Dental Technical High School, I go Kingston College, KC.
Okay. So when you were attending KC, you moved back to Kingston or you were traveling from Linstead to Kingston?
No, there's a run up and down, man. I never the one place like a water.
Movements.
There's a move up and down, I remember tell you say my mother country woman and Lindsay she come from, you know. So say daddy and my father and mom, you know, other war they can you go on. Now my father won't settle with one woman or 4, 5, 6 girl man. So my mother not really like that. So my mother wait till him daddy know the boat and just grab away. No, just grab away and put in our car and took off.
Take on the road.
But daddy are gringo, so daddy just jump back in our car and just search back on one place named New Yorks and look back for where anybody did they don't know. Hey boy. Go in that vehicle, quick. Go in that vehicle. So, you don't know you got already. So, I'm back, I'm tongue and war, but love my father and my mother to the ground.
KC?
Yeah.
Which year you left KC, remember?
Around, me live KC roughly around 87 or 88 in the region. Because I never really done school, you know.
I'm telling you, I'm just a born in a brother.
I know, sir, got some my time, man. But not even that. Look at brother, look young, sir, do you?
True.
Young,
Jiggsy. The name where people know you by are Jigsy King.
Yeah.
The government name are Errol King.
Alfonso King. And this, you know, make-up thing, there's someone else where I fight the king, you know.
Yeah.
Me not.
You're
fight
born
me
king.
born Errol Alfonso King. From bird paper. Yes, some brother grown that about. Boy, me a king this, me a king this, me a king that. Yo, a king of my real name. Errol Alfonso
King.
That one try to king of my real name.
Yeah. Jiggsy, how you get the name?
One day my friend got a river, you know, and chuck off now water and then tell you the truth. I joined me nearly joined because I couldn't swim.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's a woman saved me, you know, so from this woman knows a woman.
Right, man, if you see the brother.
No, it's a woman saved me. You know? So she named Nama.
Yeah.
Nama, the jig, so Nama, so people start moat me up at New York's.
Yeah.
So big up every New York's people, them.
Yeah.
You understand? There's a moat me now, so the Jiggsy now come through because someone to move up and down and the woman the save me now named Nama, the jig. So listen, don't no joke business, that brother. Someone like, me not sugarcoat the thing, that brother.
Listen,
So my brother, you know, say, yo, Jiggs. The Jiggs, so Jiggs, they end up start steer with me.
Stick.
So it's natural. So it's really, it come on my brother and from a female.
Yeah.
And I give thanks, star.
It stick. And it
no,
works.
man, it's stand up.
It's stand up.
It's stand up. It's stand up.
But
Stand up.
growing up in Linstead, growing up with a number of siblings though, what was it like growing up? Was it difficult financially?
Boy, you knock it door hard, man. You can knock it door so hard. Listen, brother, we just suffer.
Suffer.
Suffer, yeah. At 6, 7 hours, I sleep on the floor. I'm not pretty up not all, no, brother. I say go out, they go beg. I beg. Then times I buy the coconut tile in the plastic bag. You know understand? Because we couldn't afford the buckle to get in that bag. And they get one now. Because I'm have to go hustle the rice, you know. Hustle the rice. My mother can tell you, go beg the rice and go beg the flour and come back in. But Linstead's a place now where you don't know, say, Linstead market now, you sure know for your skill you can get something. Because you always have cabbage out there, ripe banana out there, pumpkin out. And then we grew up with something, with some elder where sharp, like motor and ghost them and spaghetti. Them if you don't understand, go ask them on Linstead. Them man say, who that money come out of your pocket and gone. Yes, but in the right way.
Yeah.
So you understand? Linstead is a college, you know. So them time to come through Linstead. And I say walk, I can man them. I say walk and beg, you know. I say walk and beg. So now man, me beg for carrying the food go in the house.
Yeah.
Cause mama never have no money. And my father, they are town, and my father play a thing say, we are your runway, come a bush, you know, so you're there on your own. So me have to go out there, go beg, and my sister them now do the begging, you know, and me do all begging. So me have to beg for carry the food come in at the house, brother.
Rough growing up.
Tough. What kind of rough you talk about? Tough. But guess what now, no? There is something out there when I hold on and I just tell myself, say, better must come in on. But me not go thief, me not go broke down the place. All the people who know I and we come through the circle, so them know say, oh, that you the name Errol King or Jigsy King.
Yeah.
Me not broke down the way at all, or we not do nothing out of the way, but Linstead, me owe them almost my life because guess what? Them say take care of me. Can't remember when a man even tell me no, I want some money go buy this, money go buy that. Me always get it from the people on Linstead.
So for a long time, you and the Linstead massive good.
No man, them great. Me love them on Linstead bad. We don't have nothing bad to say about Linstead. Love them on Linstead. If we ever do it all over again, Linstead again.
Growing up, rough life, always the street a hustle, always I try help mama put food on the table.
Always.
The music though, everybody know Jiggsy as a DJ.
Definitely.
How did you get your start in the music? Before even the start, when you realize you have a musical gift or talent?
My mother belly balling in the brother before we even come out, you know.
Yeah.
But you are going now. As I say, my father, Jigsy King, you know, so have a son now in a bar bank, you know.
Oh, and daddy was a son owner?
Yeah, son owner from down there, so. This a man always want DJ, you know. Always love DJ from early, you know. But so you are going now, Papa San them and Shabba them. And my DJ them, you know. So I love DJ like Papa San early.
Yeah.
You understand? And Shabba ranking now, you know, big up Shabba ranking anyway there's no Shabba ranking now, my DJ comes a DJ for the girls them. So you are going now. My father left out of the house one day, you know, and gone about him business. And you know then I get up, now I bow back them time there, you know, I wait till him gone and but they start well my gonna start DJ up a slack song and then the girl in my told us, don't throw a powder for themselves and me just start DJ a girl, fling it up and you know but a girl frack and girl just start and me say, father just come back one evening and I say, yeah, you don't have a DJ. And I say, yeah, daddy, you know. But you don't have a DJ, I say. You don't have to talk about girl this and girl that. Pack your things, them. Country.
Yeah.
But I'm glad.
You're glad.
But I'm going to Lindsay, I go to. So I can go to the DJ more better thing on that than a country.
Yeah.
But I think I'm going to country. So at the early stage, we so the round a Lindsay, a DJ pan Leotaros them.
It's a song.
Leotaros, you understand? And then Lucan now, big up Lucan anyway there, and Bieber Captain now. Because Bieber Captain now one will really help me in that DJ business, you understand? Bieber Captain, we should go to a place now in the East Avenue, because DJ Pan sound, the Dika sound them, man.
The
Linstead man. And all them with Jimmy and Sputnik them. So big up all of that. That's where the talent really start from. But I really football at the first love.
Oh.
And
Okay.
football at the first love,
So
you
you
know.
used to play ball.
Not play ball, I know me still bad. Fling the ball over here right now and go about my business.
The things are still.
No, don't worry about that. Right now, get the ball. No, over here, I go about my
doubt
business.
that still.
I'm a doubt, man. You fling it over here, no. Foot over here and go about my business. You understand? You are one them.
So you played Manning Cup.
I play Manning Cup
And
and
Doncaster
play
Cup.
Doncaster Cup. Listen, me I say to you now. So I really football at the first love. So
Yeah.
so we tell myself say we are I play for Rosemount and then I say to myself, say you are going now. You are going Ochi go play for go play.
Rosemount located, Linstead.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yes, and good place, champion place. Champion baller cup.
Yeah.
So what you know, I live from Rosemount go, come on, uplift a thing, I guess what now. I know I grew up and start say some of the elder them on the road and and then age I climb up on you say to yourself, say boy, you don't want to be that person that walk and beg the rest of my life. So me just tell myself, say, say, my mother not have it, my father have a little thing, but I told him there, and you understand, everybody get big now, so guess what now, me don't want to suffer. So me tell myself, say, you know what, I go watch it, go play for Black Star down there.
Black Stars.
So they done, so you have brought them down there, Eccles them and Dewey Brooks them and enough of the Brooks them down there. So I tell you, watch me go try find a life down. So I go down there and start play ball. Now me have a girl who used to go Dental, she named Rona. She named Rona Allen now. So she are the one who really say, we can forward down there because she have like a one room down there, So in general, I go put in myself down there. Go sit in. Well, not so. So now, I'm just a woman go watch you and I say, boy, Rona, boy, I'm going to spend some time with you down. But anyway, Shaggy one done now. As I tell you about Shaggy one, rush them, stole off, so rush them both. Him have a one room up in a Steertown. Steertown must big up yourself. So you are going now. So Richard watch now, and Rona say, she have a one room, can stay there. So I tell me say, hey, most of the woman get a one room and my woman did sleep and I say, hey. So Shaggy came around James Avenue, I'm meet off Roof now.
Roof nightclub.
Yeah, so I'm go up there now, Missy say, some brother up there DJ and some singer up there now. So I said to myself, hey, so me take a try off it. Me come roughly around. Me not do nothing at time, I come around 7 down in the race. But I still win a little thing.
Yeah.
So I rush come back at instead now and tell Tony Curtis. Money they are watching.
So them time and Curtis apart.
You're a friend.
Okay.
We say money they are watching. But through them time the early remember a DJ me just sing and Curtis is a DJ.
But Jiggsy, me I listen your voice, and me can't sit a voice there sing, brother. Your voice big so.
No, them time Michael Jackson. No, them time Michael Jackson, my God, man.
Hey.
Them, there be no darkness tonight. I'm Michael, I'm a goddamn time. I'm Michael Jackson. I'm a goddamn dumb. So me just sing and Curtis today, because Curtis is the name Rankin Scary.
Rankin Scary.
Yeah, come up and big cut cross in chest or something.
Okay.
Mr. Curtis is the name Rankin Scary. So me I did so watch this now. With Curtis start sing now, and me start DJ.
So Rankin Scary and
Sing it, Jiggsy.
Sing it, Jiggsy.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you and Tony start link though.
Yeah, I go on now. I used to live up on place named New York, and Curtis live at Linstead. So when my mother moved from New York and then we come to Linstead, come live on a place named Puss Gully. My laughs already. We live on a place named Puss Gully.
Yeah.
So we have a Puss Gully and a TV thing,
Yeah, no, but it's just...
No, listen me now, man.
Yeah.
We have a place named Puss Gully
Gully.
live now. So we live with a man named Mr. Leishman. And Leachman now, me soul rest in peace, you know. So me, Risha, Andrew and Curtis now and Gayo, that are Curtis brother, we interview in Japan. So,
Okay,
so
cool.
all of we, so they were on a post gully. We show them on a post gully and so we start link up with singing teeth, them and everybody. So we start with energy. Ask anybody for links, they will tell about them a post gully. Don't the part them, they will fix the tire. And Wimpy dread them and all them and them. Don't post gully. So down the summer and Curtis will start link up and Anton more friend and a deal thing right. Them time the Huts now have the restaurant which part race of them so working it then Curtis them going out to and them do them thing and then ready for do business.
Yeah, so you come back, you link Tony, money they watch if you make.
Holy man.
What was his reaction to that though?
Curtis?
Yeah.
Anything better than that there? He have to come and watch it too. Kind of money they are instead.
Yeah.
We have to go watch it because them tell the watch you a walking visa, you know. A black girl just see you and hold on for you and go on with you, you know. So then tell they use that you sing a girl just take you.
I mean a white girl.
No, not for being a white girl.
Any girl.
Any girl come and go on with you.
Yeah.
Watch you walking visa them time.
Watch me come from still.
Tell me say no me a chat about then.
Yeah, what?
I wouldn't watch the walking visa place. And that's so you didn't have to go to the embassy, you know. Right, this was the embassy now watch your road.
Yeah. You, Tony, take on the streets and watch it.
Definitely. But we get help from President Brown and Shaggy Wanda and Professor Frisky them and Mickey Simpson them. We have to big them up and Brad them and Peter them. We have to big them up.
The competition that you entered up by Roof International though. You remember what song you did?
Yeah man. I try bust a one song there. It give me a problem, you know. That's my one problem. You know as I say. So man said them wicked in the bed, but all over no over your head natta. Now put me twin it natta. Alright man, good man, come now man, no sing no more man, come. No sing no more man, come.
Yeah. But you still get a piece of change.
That's what I tell him I get a piece of change. I never play meanie. I still pop off a piece of bread, never get a big bread still. Never get a big bread, like a piece of bread, I pop off and put in my pocket and I say, this is for my mother. I still have a little piece of Papa have give Curtis. Still get this Papa have give me a friend and don't say.
Yeah.
I go for and say, yo, come, money there watch you know. Make her go out watch it because can't the sufferation instead no more. Come go out watch it.
So you went to Ochi, and Curtis.
Yeah.
Then what happened then?
And that's our history man.
Take with your history man.
Alright, you are going now. So before the Swedish bitter did it, man then I kill with bitter because start down and watch it first, you know. But as well, them said to us say, if you want good,
your nose have to
your
run.
nose have to run. I mean, the implant for my nose run long, so you are going now. you what me don't know. But down there, I look out and I find out what can go on now. I find out, say, you are going now. I stick closer to the engineer. Engineer, it took a better for me. So Genius, big up a 7 day Waterhouse. So I say, Genius, you are going. Show me how to DJ on one job rhythm, because I never did know how to DJ on one job rhythm, you know. But the fast dancer rhythm, me they love DJ on the rhythm. So Genius now the one who got teach me DJ on one job rhythm. So here we go on now. Now quote the call now and my general. So quote the call now. We so left, because Tuesday night a roof, you know. So every Thursday we gone a town. Books through the time and stay. But guess what now? Me used to walk and forward from town to Linstead and to Ochi. So me hear everything we play at town. So me hear the giggy rhythm them a play. When them don't know what go on, them don't know nothing. No, in a reach a Ochi yet. Can you check it out until they do it? Until today you find out now. Can remember Star come a Linstead for some paper, you know.
Yes.
He reach a average before he reach a Linstead, you know.
Yes.
So me can see it for some call it down and tell you what go on down there, you know. So you are going now. So me I do my research from town, come down there. So you are going now. One Thursday, Courtney called the subwoman and we book out on an anchor studio and said so. And this one, clearly cut the ranking them and some portion more people come there. You know, the bam bam rhythm, boom boom, tone. So tell you are going now. Cut the rank come and say, wait the man. Oh, that I come. Wait the man. You did think me did done. Curtis sing a song say, I write the song that made the whole world sing. And Courtney call beat on the place, boom, 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 and say, yo, if I like your rhythm, I tell him no. You don't like your rhythm? It's all right, then go sit down so then. For one night, my songs and I watch them, you know. Chilla, yo, I have a sister named Peaches. Peaches, big up yourself, you're still alive, no? More happiness and joy, more strength. So, Courtney Cole now, me school no feel no way me school. A long time something no feel no way me school. So you don't know say Courtney Cole do so. Courtney Cole do so and go with beaches. I say thank you God. So Courtney Cole girl and left me the whole of 24 chat them.
Yeah.
So me fi control them, don't left me with no money. And then the hungry road fi kill me. So you know what brother do? Me just sit down there. Engineer just tell me say him hungry want me go buy something to eat. Instead me go to KFC and rain all that Jew, you know. Hey, I run go straight off Red Street and I told me they buy a 2-piece stream and come back and put it down and watch me eat all I fries them. And I look for me serums, I look for them. I must think me that think I fries me come out and Mr. Chicken. I ready me come out, you know. So you know say, he say, so what you plan for do? I say, I don't plan for do nothing at all more than just there go and cool. So here come Firehouse Crew. Firehouse Crew come down now. I set up them thing now. Because I'm a whip a brother now named Max Stromey. See? But Max Stromey don't turn up. I'm more blessing again, Jah.
Max Stromey was a DJ.
Max Stromey, you know, big Max Stromey, man, we sing all of them big songs, them, man. Again, put on an iron shirt. Him never turn up. So you are going on no massive. The engineer said, what we are going to do? The bandsman, them say, what them do? I say, play the Jiggsy rhythm. They say, you sure? A man say, wrong move. Say, but now him there, so look at youth. He must know. I say, yeah, man, play the Jiggsy. Cool never say, play Jiggsy rhythm, you know.
Yes.
Me tell him, play the Jiggsy rhythm. Because that me want. So far early, me unruly.
Yeah.
So me make sure, tell them, play the Jiggsy rhythm without Courtney Cole say that.
Yes.
You understand? So them play, boom, 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 boom. When them done, and then they send in their checkbook and gone about them business. So engineer asked me, what I have them? I said, I want a DJ. He said, you having a song? I said, me have a song. He said, ready? I said, I'm growing on the fat. You me know. Are you ready? Are you ready now? You ready? Teddy's. Girl picking him. You meet you to your shine like a son. You don't want to play. Why do girl? You just reel up. Girl, you know about road. Girl, close and can see so. Girl, when you walk on road. Reel up. I'm the expensive one. You know about road. Girl, close and you know about road. Girl, fucking me to eat to. She look sweeter than. I don't have come out the man say.
Classic.
The man said to me say, that tune sound good, you know.
Yeah.
But you are going now, no? So when done. Remember I had that and cassette around the place them time then. So him put the on look at that, give me, and I stay some. I feel good, you know. In the morning, I wake up, Courtney Cole come. Oh, 30 of them. Around 7 big tape I pick up and carry. Put them in them. Courtney Cole come around 3 champion girl, you know, so you know, say I van back, never going again. I van back, me have a whole so you know, say, you know. Remember say, a music we come to do nobody general put me in a van back again, you know. So you know say, you know them topless band where you're not gonna have topless band and you sing so night put back your head so if rain or fall, it's a catch your head so. No rain, not go with the van and fly past, but if you ever stop, water kill you. So and you know say and then show me have no big song, me have to hold the van back.
Yeah.
You know me have to hold the van back. So I some hold the van back and go Ochi. When I reach down there, the man start play this, go start play the song them, you know, and start play the cut around. Wait them on. Who that come and start play a bag of song. So Genius do so to him and say, so a song and he reel up, you know. And put in and reel up, girl, you know, the man say, how can a big fool song this? Hey, listen to me, teacher. The man say, what can a big fool song this? And take the song, wall it that, and fling it to us rubbish pan. Teacher, listen to me, teacher. Right as the tears come.
Earth, yeah.
That pass earth.
So that never break a spirit?
That break my spirit. I say tears come right as I say to you again. Right as the tears come up front of me, you know. And Genius look down for me. So man say a big fool song that. Teacher, you know, say right
Courtney Cole.
Courtney Cole. Right there, so me tell me say I'm gonna look a job, you know. Me say me I go
so something not work out.
No, me say that thing to me don't look like it's gonna work out.
Yeah.
And then cause my woman one, then tell me they run and she start tell me about their Nike and their thing, you know, me find out say if me now look at work, that's woman that keep a man with me, you know. And I can't afford to make my woman give me no bone in time there. I mean I want to lose my brown in then time there. So me plan to look at job. Now listen to me now, this is not listen to good brother. So you know say Courtney Cole John fling with the song, I said to myself, say, you know what? Gino said to me, say, that's cool, man. So one Thursday, the week after, Stone Love, Weepo himself come at Ochi. Come at Ochi, come cut Shaggy Wanda. You understand? Go and cut the song from Shaggy Wonder. Rush them, stone love, say rush them, bout them. Time I make you bout them, you know. Rush them, stone love, so you know, bow. Anything test we gonna kill them, bow. Pass by the ladder, so we murder them, bow. I mean, I care all of them about them, you know.
Yeah.
So man must be said, a struggling man got through enough for they say no brother. And I like no, we don't come and so get so easy cakewalk, you know. Man go through, I care all of them about them time, you know, bow. And still not get no money more than a man just buy a little Pepsi and a coal and that's on. I must say to you, one space left for the thing that I'm going to DJ the one song. We still give me, we give me a little thing we put in my pocket. Father, we big up yourself now. I'm holding on the tide in my pocket. So you are going on. One day them time the pre-release. Pre-release what was the thing them time there. So they said that what they call fling with the song named Real Up. See? Genius take it now and start cut as a pre-release.
Yes.
A sound now come from Waterhouse people. I tell you now, I want to push off my career too, you know. So Waterhouse, them take the that and Genius cut off it and give some sound man in a Waterhouse, you know, team jam. Remember the team jam. Hey, man, then come like that Thursday, then come. That Tuesday, and the other week after then call back Genius, say, Genius, the little black maga boy, because then I'm maga, because the sufferation, I deal with me wicked in him. Hey, man, say, little maga boys do that song, then you reel up. You can't come down here, so Genius say what? Because then Genius phone so big enough, because say 1 mile and see phone, because the phone is wave, then they do the big phone.
Yeah, we do them phone.
So when I know Genius say, where say, you know, you can't come Friday. You're ready for on Tuesday. Hey, listen to me, massive. So you don't know, say, when we reach on them, we then I place and watch when the man play. He play Simpleton first, I just say Coca-Cola because she eat around the place. So broke out, then he play. Mama, come check me. Then me select, I say, Coca. Real up. Girl, you know about real girl, close the girl, can see so. Girl, I'm saying, see what I girl, then say, you know my head bigger already, so my head double bigger. So say, hey, listen to me, man. Say, don't know, so me do something. The man say, wallet, you look how you to sing a song at there, you know. Some just walk up there, you know. You boom, boom. I say, Waterhouse, girl, real up. Can you know my real girl, close the girl, can see so. Girl, when you the whole place mash up. So man, so John do so to Genius. A song that they wrote it, I said no. I said no with power, you know, kind of they wrote it too.
You want to say?
I mean, no. So you want to sing what cover? I say yes.
Yeah.
Because remember the boss fling when song, the song no good. I know what Bob Marley said, the stone that they build, they refuse. It will become the
head cornerstone.
No, the real cornerstone. So you don't know, somebody do so. So him said to me, say, I hear me? Can't come out early morning, you know. You know, sun come out early at town.
Yes.
And I like down at Linstead.
Yeah.
So by 4 o'clock Sunday at town, you know, so me up the window them and look. I said, Genius, wake up. We could go on a jammings. When we reach on a jam, then tell them my set team will laugh, you know.
Yeah.
Will laugh, say they go. And can't with your man. So you don't know, say, listen good general. So you know, so I'm go around there and reach on a jammings. Sorry, you know, say John, you am a general John. So you know, say John, going on John, just play the general. 1, 2, 3. Remember, real up my ground if you do, you know.
Yes.
But John asked me if you have anything I sing on already, man. And me matter about John, me ask that John. You know, jamming studio, still jamming studio. They pull that door, 1 door, 2 door, 3 door, 4 if you go inside.
Upscale.
That's how jamming studio state. Me go around, you know, I just me on the wall, I pray, I say, God, do. Bigger God, do not make no more mistake. Put them a mistake, but I don't want no more mistake. Now, bigger, please. Can't tell the sufferation no more. Do Ja. So you don't know, say, we're going and done. Read my song. Hear me now. Done with the fine vice too, you know. Done with the fine vice business. Yeah. The fine vice now give me no justice.
Big vice.
There's some money there. So you know, say, hear me now. Say, girl don't see it. Girl not count fear, sit and do it. Girl don't see it. Girl not natural bandy eat and do it. Girl live in natural. Girl not beg and hold up your man. Natural and you're not take no and not reg salt even natural. Do not go outside, you know. I don't see nobody in the studio. I said, Lord, God, what me do wrong? I said, what me do wrong again? One more lose again. I say, everybody come in and laugh. You want to see art in the chest? I do so art in the chest, I jump too. So, you know, say, then come in, John said to me, say, You have the most song. Me ask about song. I'm want to go New York and all them place there.
Yeah.
Me I suffer. Me just say, yeah, but then tell me just me Jazzwad. So Jazzwad now, I've a look up board now when play them. First I see drum machine. You know.
Drum machine.
Then, but Jazzwad, big up Jazzwad. Jazzwad, the poof, 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 poof. I must say, you have anything for this? I say, yeah. I say, let me hear first. I say, oh man, cock up your body and ride. When you see me, and she don't look nice. Girl, you just cock up your body and ride. Them a chat behind the back, but don't pay them no mind. Girl, show you look good, girl, show you look nice. John say, go round the fast, go round the fast. So listen to people. He said, don't hear the word, don't hear. A bomb job. My advice, start them sample. And when you hear, cock up that in a turf fabulous song. Cock up on my visor position. Hold up her down, cock up. And me say, cock up in this. So I'm go on there and done that now. Set time them time when me advice, you know. Bounty killer the boat, you know.
The Godfather.
Bounty the boat, elephant the boat. You understand? But boom down them, I didn't just get them papers them and cut out, but need to cut them and the wall and the boat.
Wall scare them.
Yeah, but make sure you something they them need for no. Remember, you know. A true, me no never true. We live down a country, them. We live down a country, and them just average as some country youth. Them come in, nah, give a country to my barn a town. You understand?
So get a whole lot.
No. You are going now. Cause them time, when me do, woman cock up your body and ride. A truth, there's some the war come between. Cause you don't even know this, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, know the war between Bounty Killer and Beanie Man.
And that's how it start.
And that's how it start from. Cause you know, Killer tell Beanie say, if you leave him, leave him melody. So Beanie tell Killer say, no, a Jigsy King melody. I was there when Jigsy King
advised the song.
Jigsy King advised. I was there when Jigsy advised the song. So hear this now. Watch this. People, watch this. Oh man, cock up your body and ride. When you see me, and she don't look nice. Bounty Killer sing. I got just for him for the capacity in him heart. And I my Beanie Man sing. Mama, your son him a god die. 21 gunshot. So I write this song.
History lesson after the brother.
The write this song. The war start.
Yeah?
I write this the war start. So I'm ready to start chat my mind.
So what I know, Jiggsy, before you even go any further, Jigsy King is really and truly responsible for the greatest rivalry in the history of dancehall.
Ain't there nothing I like? Alright. Teacher, listen to me good. Call Bounty Killer now and ask him. Or call Beanie Man now and ask them. Ask them who responds for that melody. And not even that. Call Elephant Man.
Super.
Call Ellie. By the way, call the world dancer, call Power Man, call Scatter them, and the whole of them. Ask them who responds for that melody there. The difference between I and I real ghetto youth. Me not make nothing trouble me general.
Yeah.
Me no nothing at all trouble. Me believe in my friend them, me love my friend them, me love my family them, you know. And we not believe in the 80s, no killing and no war.
Yeah.
So Killer couldn't put me on a sideways part so me go fight against Beanie. Beanie couldn't put me on a sideways so me go fight against Killer. I just the love of the music me are dealing.
But Jiggsy, we could talk a little bit about the Jiggsy journey before we diverge into some other things.
Man.
The song Cock Up Your Body.
Yeah, the woman,
Right.
woman cock up your body.
Yeah. That would have been really and truly your first monster hit.
No, Real Up on my first
Real Up
monster.
was the first monster hit.
Straight on number one.
What did that song do for Jigsy King though?
Real Up?
Yeah, man.
Let me show you the Jigsy King. He made Jigsy look newer.
Clean!
Jigsy look newer. Every party you go. Every party you go. Every school fete you go.
Yeah.
It was Real Up.
Real Up.
Real Up. Every school fete you go was Real Up, Real Up, Real Up.
So Real Up was a song
Yeah, man.
that Courtney Cole never loved, but it kicked down the door.
I want to give more history about that, but no. History me find Real Up.
Yeah.
I'm a find how powerful Real Up is. Because remember the brother fling with the song, you know. Say me just go up a stair tone and do something like this.
Yeah.
Coming in soon, coming up.
Yeah.
I don't look chewing at him. Here come Courtney Cole. What's up, Jiggsy? What got me artist? I said, me? I know me a ramp with. I know me a artist, man. Remember you fling with a song, you know? You know what that with me, you know? I mean, what is me? Me no want to see me new to so.
You're making.
Cause it's a brother. He do great for me, you know. I can't talk about early stage. Man, I kill me with punch.
Never believe in it.
Man, I kill me with thump. But then time that a Curtis. Catch you
Curtis and singer.
No, then Frank Curtis sing, you know. Curtis don't sing another song. You're soaring to the roof. so me know we are a buckle. You better not know with me. No with me. So when I find real up now, I just say, again games on them, you know, is it?
Yeah.
How we are ramping? Whole six. How much come too far? That kill him with blank this time. Blank. That kill him with blank when I get close. So you know, say, come and tell him, say, yeah, I'm not sing a song for you. No. You don't rate the brother. Because you know, say, way before that, we follow the man go, one far country place. I'll show you why I ain't believe in a Rastafari faith. So you know, some drive in a set van, sit down in the sun. I man make sure, me in the front seat of the van, you know. I man go pick up 3 champion girl now watch you again, you know. I'm have to come out of the front seat again, you know. Run about my gun again, because them tell you could jam me head for the back with the back of the van like glass, you know. Because man, I'm you know some more nice go white shorts. Just because I say when I come out of shorts, come out knife done. I saw me have to hide around the car. Guess what? I wall like dirty up in the car. Guess what now? The boss take note with some strange girl. When we reach out, I be a pretty girl and then Michael us have a song, then we have a thing there, and be a star down there, you know. So show me say what a girl them and cut the cool nah look for me at all. But just walk from in front of them, you know. But be a big star upon the show, grinds man, I'm a bag of people, I mean have no name, you know. So you don't know, say, we go and look on the MC and say, MC, look you know. My name Jigsy King. He said, what your name? I said, come on, that one are there for something. I said, my name Jigsy King, you know. Man said, man said, DJ something me here, and I just start DJ Celica song there. And the man said, no, someone but still no, what you want? You want me show? I said, yeah, I want me show. Come on, impress. More show him say, show him say, me can DJ and be a girl, did it, can be a fine girl, come as far as the man, them, you know. Virgin, a 7 step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go up there. So the MC say, you're the MC, no? Before the show start, whoever look at you, what's your name again? Jigsy King, man, you know. Not Jigsy King, my name, man. Yeah. So man say, Jigsy King, I'm running out and say, now yes, people. That show me no more proof to them so I can DJ. But you know, the first lessons I learned. Yeah. So you know, but you know, the promoter take a long to start this show. I know them time there, flinging a go on, you know, and I like no, they start be flinging. Flinging a go on, whole heap. So you know, say, MC do so. The MC do so. And said, go on DJ, man. See, and the band man do so. Poop. I'm going, I'm saying, yeah, level. So man said, if you don't want, don't you boo. So never get everything to fling fast for me, but 2 things fling up the foot. Voop. You know, and him says, hey, my Jiggsy, nobody come, man. Come here, man, Jiggsy, nobody man, come, man. Come, nobody that thing. Come. So you know, say, me I walk, my 7 step go up there, you know. And 77 for come off, you know. 77 for come off. Virgin, listen to me, man. If I'm going to go up on a step and look for come off a step, and some say, Courtney call them. And Curtis them. Man, I'm laughing, you know, and I don't know if I come off a step because everybody laugh off of me. You know. Like, me if I go which part then day, I say them I take them and walk away from me. Because them I say, nobody not like a loser. So you know me do? I walk off and go weird in the back, I tell me the truth again. Nobody now say, but soon I want something around the back and show I go on, you know. Look at the tears drop out of my eye, you know. And that's why I can't stop love Rastafari. A Rasta it up a cane. Come on, I say, stop crying, man. I'm to your youth. Star not dead in a show, man. Never forgot what Rasta said to me. I wish I could see him again for us. He said, Star never dead in a show. Just be firm. And you know, never forgot, you know, when he said to me in the teacher, I mean, the son say, teach them, I say, John, no. You know, sir, when the show done, and Shaggy ran down, mash up the show, you know, the show done, I'm going to have van back, I'm reaching out Ochi, the next day, I did a month out of laugh off her. Then they kill me laughing, boy, then rush me, and me run off a stage, and me this, and me that. And me turn all of the laugh It's when real up drop. Because nobody a watch it. Not get no number one. Now I'm going to bring number one to roof. The said song when fling way. The said brother when having a van back. Him this, I got to bring a number one. So you know, so Stone Love, get the song then they reel up. That time Stone Love, I think no name, traffic. We have to go a Thursday night. So you know, say, me and Genius and the whole of them go there again. Because I'm not take my van back, you know. So me van back drive, come a town and set. So you know, say, I'm here for buy a liquor them. But the sweetest part of it, I'm here to go on and they change. I mean, kill the change, you know.
Kill the change.
Come in and give back, not a change.
Yeah.
So you know, say, instead of go buy liquor, they watch me go buy liquor them. Did they turn up, they go buy liquor them. And me, you worry, say, I don't know who's this youth. I mean, I pay no more of liquor, I order them beer and them Heineken and them thing, you know. You understand? This little youth, I know this song played last week. Still not paying no mind. Roll up, girl up. Me run left everything, man. Me run left liquor and everything, man. And when me run, right, bro, run, go to Genius, and Genius does that to me.
Say a word.
Hey, listen to me, man. I just saw me start swell. Just swell it up. And Genius said, just go for liquor. Just go for liquor them in there, brother. I just come and look at the place I mash up. Just go for liquor them and put them down. And me just walk from there, son. I'm going to a corner by myself and jam and stay, so. So you know, so me with their Ochi and set tune voice to John, they not even know say me sing a song. You them a watch you know, no? Because you know say don't tell nobody at all now.
Oh, they say they still never realize that
they don't know say me. So when they hear 1, 2, 3, boom. No you me know. Say girl no see it. Girl like you would feel. You know boy but you gone again. But you gone again. You know I didn't know that Jiggsy gone again. But you gone again. But the man will tap him and say, I mean just so. I watch a wall of them, you know. And Gina say, don't say nothing to them. Don't say nothing to them. So I bury out here, make sure I tell the people. I bury for Iowa FM. Come in not take no off and quote the call. Come don't rate me, brother. I bury out here and say to me, say, what you do? I have a straight town that time, big grass to be a sadisy. They then tell them, Pansy and the land with their straight town, them tender. And Squingy come to me and say to me, say, oh, you say DJ. Make her run the place now, because Squingy start tell people no say man Jigsy King a family. And I saw base at say and Jigsy King become one. So base at when Squingy man and Squingy start do road now. When Squingy start do road now and we just say because turn over things. So Barry come and say to me, say, yeah, hear me? Come in ready for my shop ready. I say, yeah, I'm ready, Barry. So Barry say, Barry play a rhythm for me name, the bull kick. I'm saying, me say, I forget you. I forget you. I forget about the girl, want the band. Nobody can tell me, you know. I forget you. Cry if you're straight at number one. So now, we are going to let King Curtis not the thing now. By them play another rhythm now. And so we are going to do butterfly. I saw my Chris go do butterfly. No, can me go? No, me go. That's too. Metro Media is a player. We play Soul Camp Road, you know, every night, you know. So them time the music go see. The girl them so wait, they go split. You remember that split, that long split, the catch girl them way by son. So music go see girl.
Split that.
Yeah, better split, you better believe. So you girl them do so. I mean I say, what this girl them try to tell me.
So hold on, so Butterfly was actually your idea.
Yes. Then I mean, brother.
And I split there.
I just split in the wine, them man. So you don't know say. So me say, what that girl a do? What the girl, what she really a do? That she try to tell me something, you know. But when she go down and she do her thing, and I say, whoa! I say, whoa, could that?
Yeah.
And you have some say, singer, you had sit here. Do you catch a new brand lick? I say, butterfly, mashing up the whole district. Butterfly, driving all the young girls wild. Butterfly, broke wine and butter. Girl, dance butterfly on the list. Straight to number one again. New again. So yeah, mama said,
number one again.
Number one again. We start.
That was your third number one.
Third number one. But from this one, I just be a number one song. Be a number one song. The world now start see And then that time cutting cold fish, so nice, no, you know, so we can go back in the more van back. Any van back I'm ever going at it. No more van back. No more van back. Roof?
You're done with that something there.
No more van back.
Yeah.
I understand. But that's how much I tell you, them say, we did humble said way. Someone, every artist know, no, humble is the key. Me never did fight him or not time. Me just do what I do.
Yeah, the lesson we get out of this now to Jiggsy. In our life, there will be obstacles. You know, me interview Turbulence, and Turbulence say every hurdle teach you to jump. Ah, yeah. Zine? So no matter what the situation is today, keep believing in yourself, keep putting in the work, and eventually,
It's going to come
eventually.
true. And it's going to work right.
So, Jigsy King became now a household name. People know Jiggsy. But before we go to know Jiggsy, many people, even to today,
See it now?
when them hear a song where Jiggsy would then do, 9 out of 10 people Jiggsy, if them don't know who Jiggsy is, say about you that.
But then if you listen keenly,
Yeah.
Mark Myrie, Errol Alfonso King is two different persons.
Yes.
And if you listen, Mark have a sound in the voice where you have to listen keenly and mark that. And Jiggsy have a sound where you listen keenly and Jigsy King that. You understand? But you know, me and Butcher have that same sound there. That's what I say. Me nah bash Butcher.
Yes.
You understand? That's what I say. Mark Myrie, big up yourself. See? And I like some, we keep it real.
True.
We keep it real. And I like some artists with afraid to tell a man, say, you hear me? That brother they really jump out of the gate.
Yes.
Butcher really jump out of the gate before me. You understand? So the reality about it is that Butcher first have the big voice.
Yes.
Because the big voice are come from Burro Bantan
Burro.
and Shabba. But you understand, but Butcher Bantan start out, jump out with a big voice there before Jigsy King, but not too far.
True.
Because remember Butcher Bantan, they have, me understand me not that if you all the girl picking, you can check the sexy man, the girl them. Yes, and Jigsy start out, real up, girl, you know my record, so him have to find voice too, and then me have to find voice. So, but as I say, enough respect to Butcher Bantan. You can't take with that. Butcher Bantan, big up yourself, General.
So, Jiggsy, was your son, because I remember you started out as a singer.
Definitely.
But that DJ thing, you know, was your son any other? Because you say Papa San and Shabba were your artists.
Shabba will always be my artist.
So did the Jiggsy sound now, was it in any way, shape or form really influenced by the Butcher Bantan sound?
It come along the way with it and the Shabba.
Makes sense. It take a big man to say that.
No, but guess what? No, not really. A real man for
a real man.
Yeah,
man. Well, I appreciate that. So now the hits kept on coming.
What leap?
You move out of the van back. I assume now Jiggsy started touring.
History.
You remember the first place you performed outside of Jamaica?
Yeah, man. First time me go up on a plane. Antigua me go. Admiral Tibet, enough respect. Admiral Tibet and was Beanie Man was a star for the show. Beanie Man and Risco Benji, R.I.P. Risco Benji, you know, and you are going now, no? As I say, them time that you know them do? Reach the airport, they left the wallet, they left them bag. I have to take up everybody's bag. And carry everybody's bag with me. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if the man can't full in them bag, but still I carry them bag. I carry them bag and me reach, you know. But guess what, no? Ask Admiral Tibet when they see him. Ask him who mash up the show. Because that show there, Beanie Man and Risco Benjo put on one piece of fighting.
What do you mean?
You mean? What you mean? Because Beanie Man and Risco Benjo.
So Beanie Man and Risco now, par in P.
That's how you think. One piece of thing one over one thing. So you know, so when we done DJ, I'm gonna say that DJ, you know, ask Admiral Tibet, you know. I remember, you know, me mash up over there, you know, when we done.
Yeah.
So rain come down over there, see, nearly wash for everybody over there. So you don't know, say the man will fly out. Man will fly out where police like Rice gonna
Be in here, Risto.
and Grindsman they on the show one piece of fighting and Beanie Man and Risco Benji one piece of fighting, piece of knife. There's a knife and them run on and wanted that through the airport. You understand? Enough to know man reach at the airport and they say continue to reach the airport. No, you know you can't ramp with Moses.
Yeah.
Okay, no Moses Moses having friend them. I will grab you and you what. So you know they're at the airport. We land at the airport and they say why start again and move but from this song, when we left this song now, the big fly now at Canada.
Yes.
Never Curtis never come. And then there's a ghost now, a mere close the show at Canada them time there, you know.
Big league.
No, then I must big league. We could have them big song at about big league, man. Make kick a little league, man. Go one side little league.
No corner league, World Cup.
Champion League too.
Champion League.
Messy them, you know.
So Canada was the first real big show.
Yeah, me close the
for
show.
Jigsy King.
Me close the show, but that's when me find out that something missing. Cause you are going now. Me have a #1 song then, but Butterfly was the #1 song over there.
And a ghost.
And a ghost.
A ghost have to do the singing part.
Ghost have to do the singing part. So from this, you know, but me need to see, or me need to understand what I go on. So when me forwarding back, me say most of them people, most of the man them youth, the women know. Then answer me from Yasa again. Then start answer me and Anita so. The answer. So me say, you have to know you're doing a Jiggsy. So I go to the management and say, call you are going. Curtis, I have to start travel with me, you know. Because Curtis don't have visa them time there, you know. I say, Curtis, I have to start travel with me because Curtis starts say to me, say, boy, people them see me and I laugh off him. I say, boy, we're not travel. So the big show I keep in mind, your Father Yap. Father Yap. Forever my Father Yap. Big up yourself, Father Yap. No matter what go on, you're there with me, said with Father Yap. So you know, say Father Yap, I keep the big show downtown Miami, you know. It was Bounty Killer, Shabba them, Jigsy King, Mad Cabra, then the show down Miami, sold out. So hear this now. Father Yap said to me, say, oh, you mean you now come on my show? I say, Father Yap, you are going on, no? You know, say, Curtis, not the punish show, so I now come. Man say, you know no problem. Send Curtis down. Me never know them thing there.
Yeah.
One go Curtis go. He get 6 months. That time I fly off a 1 entry, you know. 1 entry me I fly off, you know. So one go Curtis get 6 months. You know? And Curtis come back. Curtis come in thing and me show him my thing. You know, but wait. I just pass in my blaze. Wait. I just pass in my blaze. And the first, when I tell some people, when I land Miami feel first, you know, all music sweet them time, you know. Remember so when they get the deposit, cause the boss have the money in their pocket, but some general just serious an artist and rate, you know. A man they say, boy DJ don't know start Butterfly and sing my song, well at $20, yeah. First now live I see McDonald, you know. We don't know about McDonald, you know. So we get $20, make it Curtis 10 and make it 10. So we join the line and 10. We never know when they nugget. We don't know when they nugget. I'm telling you, we don't laugh like a joke. We don't know when they nugget. We don't know when they nugget, brother. We don't know when they nugget. When we see nugget, I say, go on something, I say, I want to order that. Man say, no, man, just it come in a package, man. You never buy two. No, man, you never buy two. It come in a package. You never buy two.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Come remember the time, you know. I used to watch when my auntie send the barrel come at Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Who know that Jamaica thing never got far, you know. You remember when they pull the barrel? You remember that smell come at the fire? Me as I said to myself, say, anyway, that smell come from that place I want to go. Me need to go that place, so that smell come. To find something there?
Yeah.
Me want to go there too.
You reach, you know.
Boy, I tell you. A glory, brother. I've never lived back a life for all of them. I do it again, brother.
Same way.
Said way.
So, the world start know Jigsy King.
Definitely, my boss.
And along with Jigsy King, Tony Curtis was there.
O'Brien.
You now left out your friend them.
Now left out O'Brien.
After that, what was the next big song?
How much big song?
The one after Butterfly.
Girl a fuss, girl a fight over your man. All I'ma do, and if you do, move on galang. Girl any man you want, you can't get. Face and take life and your body perfect. It's like Me and Curtis now. Watch my Curtis. Watch my Curtis. There is nothing like the real thing. Ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. 1 million. And your daddy did. It's like, any more. If you ever let him go. They must sing. All right. Me and Freddie McGregor. Freddie. We no matter where them say we come from, good breed. Me a born to live it. BET, they don't know, MTV, no. 7 on the billboard chatting. Well, every pussy must work. Work hard. Lazy body not gonna work. Man and woman, they better try to do some work. Jigsy King I sing. Me and Curtis again. Really acquit him. Stone Love. We put big up and say, no. My son and me, you know we big, we bad and heavy. And genius now. Who no go rap a pom pom.
Tune up and tune.
I wanna be a shepherd. Why? Walk through this land and preach. No, shepherd, no.
Yeah.
Shepherd, no. Share the moment with you?
Yes, man. Talk to about shepherd, man.
As I say, Mark Mary, big up and say, Bojo Bantan. All right. Garnet Silk funeral.
Yeah. R.I.P. to the great.
Yeah. Garnet Silk. You don't know, respect Garnet. Garnet family. Love it and the whole crew. Big up on yourself. All right. Garnet Silk funeral. You really talk that thing, huh?
Talk it, man.
You sure I'm a target?
Yes,
all right, you're going, people. No, this brother now named Errol Alfonso King now. Just up in a nice clothes, respect on it. Cut with tour, cause on it, die.
Yeah.
So we say, all right. Call said, I forgot on it. I say, never tell me that, I'm going there. So then time I'm with Judith Badley. So we're gonna go, so me have Bugo Bantan, my friend. Bugo Bantan, him pass away too, and me have Force them and some of my friend them. Tata them, you know. All them man, you see them a tough neck and rough neck with me, you know. You chat about DJ, we go up there. Go on, let us sing, we are doing. So you know, reach up, they said so now I walk past. Me here. Look at youth. I walk said we coming, my mother never birthed me as no look at youth. Me here. It's you I'm talking to. I say, who that, you know? It's you I'm talking to, Jigsy King, come here to me. So I say, what deal it? I say, I want to ask the man a question. I say, what go on? He say, the song you sing about, I want to be a shepherd. What you mean by that? That's what you mean, you know? Because if a man want to be a shepherd, a man can raise some sheep. So I just say, no, say Mark, General. And Tony Rebel say, I'm bursting them and I say, cut out enough foolishness.
Yeah.
You know, cut out enough foolishness. And Mark said, it's not right, man. Watch me and them a sting.
Yeah.
You know, anyway, the sting night there. But we are full white and them we are full white too, you know. Said night when them Beanie Man and Louise, Beanie Man perform and Louise, because girl go wet up Beanie Man on stage. Just go back, everything but I'm going to go back to history. Man. But that night and now, that night the Sanchez would make a comeback. You know, Sanchez make a comeback. So the thing is Sanchez get around five forward before me, you know. So I have a call back.
Legendary singer, man.
Yeah, so then I have a call back, work fast. I say, work, come on. Come in a plan. I plan for rounds with any man you want them song then, because they tune the song they at them time. I say, come up. I say, change back the rule. Me run out with give me the wheel. So my car runs them, say, you want to do for me? This is what I said. All the money from Central and blah, 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 lock off a light and blah, blah, blah. And do exactly what I say. Brethren, if you think I like, call Mr. Leng and ask him one of the biggest forward ever for Sting. One of the biggest forward ever. Peter Metro, tell him Peter Metro. The biggest forward ever for Sting.
Sting, which year Sting was that?
I think it was 1994 Sting.
94. Yeah. And you got one of the biggest forward in the history of Sting.
The history of Sting.
Give me the weed.
Give me the weed, go ganja weed. Father burn the dunk and you will murder the breed. Give me the weed, go sense the weed. Ganja me smoke me all yes indeed. Cause ganja the healing of the nation. Ganja was found on the grave of King Solomon. Then test and pass, scientist plus doctor man. And so me no eat away through tradition. When I will walk through the valley, then they run through the swamp. Now stop them move along until me reach the weed land. Link up teacher, him are the conscious one. Now hear me now!
I'm my favorite Jigsy King, that brother. Me no smoke cylinder, but the rhythm, the flow, everything.
It was one Wednesday night. Give me the weed. Me I drive go Ochim and my friend named Bugo Bantan and Tata and Force, I live Linstead, you know, and you know, so Bantan in a car and Force, so you know, them all a smoke weed, you know, and show me a drive, you know, and Force I tell Tata say, yeah, you me, well, look weed me have push up your song. And so Tata say, him don't know weed there, so. Force asked Bantan now, say, yo, you have some weed, but give me some of my weed, no? And I saw the idea start play in my head, but straight, you understand? So if you really listen to this song, me say Force, that's my brethren that will live in England,
yeah.
you understand? So Force, some me really build the song now. The rhythm now named Freedom Blues, or they call it MPLA. All right, watch this now. Bob Clark, no respect Bob Clark. No, Bob Clark, no, I'm saying me with Judy Badley. So Judy Badley, no, I can't to one of them old session then. Me never want to go to the old session, but I might say go. But then time then me follow Judy Badley, I'm with Judy Badley them time then, you know, sure upon
When I see you with Judy Badley, if you asked that for earlier, though, you mean I did with her? Alright, sir, but that's an actor, sir. Then what you want me to do? We don't know. My apologies, sir.
You better. Me nah my. Them could call up right now so much time. You mad, man. Me do.
I think like she was your manager.
Yeah, Judy Badley, I love her, baby. Big up yourself, see?
Yeah.
Watch this. So you don't know, say, them just a woman start play some old tune, because Bob Clark best at playing old songs. So you don't know, say, me and me say no man, that rhythm there.
Yeah.
Who for the rhythm there? So I go to Bob Clark and say, Bob Clark, I beg you, please, let me can borrow that rhythm there. And say, Jiggsy, I better give 10,000 more, give you this rhythm. This rhythm is older than me and you and blah blah. So I beg him, tell me I don't want him, tell so. Me take him lend me the album, because it was an album with them. And I can't go give Barry or Ian. Barry, one of the greatest me ever know. So Barry, take it and listen to it. And Barry, play it back. Barry, play it back. Now, as I said to you now, quote the call now, take the rhythm and bring it to a brother named Anjo. Now, Anjo now, with a work up, a work from Ochi and a work up a penthouse. So what you do now? Give me the weed, that's my own, give me the weed, me have to vice it a penthouse.
Yeah.
A penthouse, me go vice, give me the weed, you know. Now when me advise, give me the weed, no. Me have to climb a step with all of the man them up there, you know. I remember say, we don't revive the run between me and the camp there already. So when I sing give me the weed, you know, I make a mistake, you know. At first I tell them, but true, me have to pass back, mark them and everybody go up a step. You understand? So watch me now. Hurt man from down a senton. Ting along. I ting along, me say, you know.
And I sing along.
I suppose there's a sing along. But me no go back and fix it back. I remember some of climb up back a step, go see back in them again.
Yeah.
So me leave that alone. You understand? Come use your soul life stay. I don't know watch maybe the rhythm and I've got sing his song in a penthouse. But as I said to you, say, them time that they join the music, you know, I wish it would be like now still.
Yeah.
As I say, 90s forever.
Yeah.
We don't know, still I wonder where Spraga did do and I wonder where Moses do and I wonder where Turf Fabulous do, where Jigsy King do and where Butcher them do, why the music, our 90s music, stand up so like a giant.
University years of music, I tell them, brother. You understand, if you come out of 90s school, you know, you're well taught, you know, you're well learned, you know.
No, because you are going now. Now cure your body, you know. You have to go through a gate man, you know.
Sure.
A gate man, you know, cure you got to go DJ, go in a jam, because Jammys, you know, say me a DJ, a man say, gate man say, yo, DJ something here, yo. Salute the man.
So for you reach a gate.
I am pass you first, the man at the gate pass you first. And just to say one song, and this song, next song. 4 bad songs I give me and done in the song, just say, go on a shop to go buy something and come back. And I come back and say, boy, I'm let me, the man just say, yeah, where do? Come back in a 2 weeks time. But now everybody a DJ.
So you really and truly have to be ready for the studio before you go in the studio.
Then turn out the one not there. Alright. The first time me see pinchers, you know. Me can't move. Me like
Starstruck.
pinchers when pinchers come out of it when pinchers. Alright. Them time they never grow up, never grow off a tree. You know. When she see Sanchez, you know. I mean, I did you know. A reason. Art and man, Sanchez, she run girl, look what art the girl. So there was something coming through the 90s where music was something about the artists them. And I like nowhere where a man just tell himself so another because DJ business was something about it, brother.
True.
The 90s thing was something about it. And that's why we can do until now because we do some good songs, some real songs, we can stand up. We can carry through. We carry through until today, brother.
Alright, Jiggsy, because we are talking about the catalog and you have hits upon hits upon hits upon hits upon hits.
Take the cat out of it here, sir. The lion lag. Take it, put the lion
lag. Generally speaking, Jiggsy, an artist's best tune financially may not always be the artist's most favorite song. So the song that did the best commercially is not always the song where the artist's favorite piece of work. Out of all the songs that you would have recorded, which is many, which song is your favorite song? The song they sing more than the rest of them in your quiet time. And that song they give you a vibe.
Give me the weed, you know, brother. I can't answer a question about that. Give me the weed. Ratchets now. No disrespect. Man, I'm going to go check out this phone yourself. Check out this phone yourself. Log in. My ending and put the best marijuana song ever sing in Jamaica. And look which DJ day night. It's me, Bob Marley, Peter Touch them and blah blah blah. Remember, it's not me putting myself in that. It was me alone. If me alone, I will never try size up this brother here against no, never got a song. But that never in my life. Nowhere near Peter Touch them and all that. So when me see them, the paper put me around there so. I want to find a paper man. The man will put me around there so and say, thank you, but why you do that to me? Don't do that thing that to me. You can't put me amongst them man there. Because them man, for them put amongst them man there with that song, you know. You know, they nothing know them do to me, you know.
Peter, Bob.
Yeah. So give me the weed now. Give me the weed now. As I say, I don't want to say it, people. Because I don't want to brag and show. I don't want to go look for it to myself. And you know, many angles of marijuana. And then from Japan, Germany, France, and then look up, give me the weed, and look what them say about that song name, give me the weed. Yes, that's look into myself for yourself.
Jiggsy would have performed on many big stages around the world. Where's the biggest stage you have walked on?
Gata, Japan, you know. Japan, you know. All right. Listen to this now. Listen to me, brother. Hey, you crowd when me see a Japan, you know. Crowd when me see a Japan, brother. Just look that. Think about this. You can steer half a tree. And I look down, way down through St. Thomas and I climb Gorona Portland. All me can look. I just be a Japanese head. Because it's straight through. When I say, on stage, Jigsy King, When then time we have Tommy Cowan. Yes, indeed.
Yes.
And Tommy Cowan called Jigsy King. You know, brother, they take them with a maga. And we run out in that boat. We run out, no go rap up. And Japan with you. And not even that.
Yeah, one of them understand.
No, you know. But they don't want me love Japan, but you know.
Why?
You like, no. Cause them, then they really do. They come to the plate, then they really when they tell us 4 bills, they're not itch. They're not itch.
So Japan is the biggest crowd you have performed for. Where's your favorite place to perform?
Everywhere to me, you know. Because I love perform for Jamaica people, you know. You know, the sting.
You must have a one spot, Jiggsy, man. Don't do me that.
Guess what now? America to me too easy.
Yeah.
Italy, I love Italy. Spain, Switzerland. I love them place there. Yes, but like the America, so that's true. The new song is good. So if follow them, put on for you. You understand?
You want to go dig them out.
Yeah, you know so. Follow them, put on for you. Anything I tell me say out of my mouth, then just in the sky and I jump up and down.
Yeah.
You understand? So they really say Italy, because me alone go take on Italy, you know. Me alone take on Italy, and trust me, it was more than, me don't look, just put in Jigsy King live, that Italian look. And it was so nice, brother, you know, that's the welcome I get from the people in Italy was different, brother.
Jiggsy, man, listen here, and you have a wealth of knowledge and history in the music. See, we know you as a recording artist.
Definitely.
Performer.
Murder.
You doing the writing?
Oh boy, crazy writing, brother.
Crazy writing.
I must didn't tell me go and KC, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to
you go to school.
You go to school.
Yeah.
You know.
So you write only for yourself?
I write for everybody, man.
What do you mean for everybody?
Everybody who come around me, they can tell you. They can tell you, you have to me now. Even when you not hear no Jigsy King or no see me on the stage.
Jigsy King still is present in that space.
I don't think a day pass without me and the music. I love the music so much, you know. So every time when out there do no big thing and I might not say Jigsy King out there, so no, but someone out there with two Jigsy King songs I sing brand new way. Me know you want to say no, but leave it alone. Yeah, so me know want you are going people. And I write so many songs, brother, you know, but sometimes the vibe itself, sometimes they're your yard. Especially me don't know about the next man. But they're my yard and a man send a rhythm come give me. You know, and me just start sing some song. Sing for a while, me just start sing some song, but me know the song when I sing, the key, I just know my one.
Yeah.
But it take a real musician to do that because you come up with the idea and come up with a song, when you hear the key, you know say that key there and you. That key there after the brother there. And that key there after the brother there. And that key there for the brother there.
The lesson here is that Jiggsy is more present in the music than just a recording artist.
Always. And it's if most people take time out right now for just come around Jigsy King or no. Because guess what now? I'll be honest with you, because you are now. Is it true? All the things set now teach? And the man them who have the money right now I get pushed up front, you know. So sure. Talent, the real talent, then you have enough little youth who can DJ and sing good, but show the brethren who have them this no really not did it no more. You understand? So and the man you have some man when have no talent too. Some boy we can DJ good. And some boy can sing good. But through the money did it, and man they say, how much talk about, man?
Yeah.
How talk about?
Send him go
around. 2 million. Here the money. Here cut off nose. First time you cut off nose, you don't like him, you know. But see, the whole week cut off nose playing the years. You start singing.
Yes, sir, yeah, cut off nose a big artist.
You don't start singing cut off nose, but you start playing in your ears, Wally. Playing in your ears, Wally, you don't start saying cut off no big artist. So, but real artists, the real thing people. Enough times them keep them big show and enough them keep them big show and then they keep them thing and them invite them man there. But we didn't know problem I come in Jamaica, you know. I want to afraid to talk, you are going on. It's in time them start keep up them look foolish, but them look float this and them look float that. And so they end up create a circle by themselves. You understand? So you them run it now. Them put the lady at the door and the man at the door. We never call no name. Uno know yourself. This lady at the door and this man at the door. So then foreign people call and say, you know I don't like to get, where's Jigsy King? You know, him not hearing him in Africa, you know. You know what I send me someplace where I'm there in Jamaica, you said we. No, he migrate from Jamaica, man. He live down here again, you know. Because guess what now? The radio, guess what now? Outer sight is outer.
Mine.
So when them not play your regular now, because sometimes I feel shame because you all know. You know when your woman look upon you, and you people look upon you and say, so daddy.
Oh, go on.
You know I go down a Sunfest. I'm not see you down a Sunfest. And sometimes I have to tell him a truth, but as I say, tears are right or something.
Yeah.
Then I have to say, no man, they know. You know, your music and get to fan most of pick them most of the time, they ask me some question. See, that's so we didn't know the planet too. And we didn't know the planet too. We didn't know the planet too. We didn't know the planet too. So yes, that. But really, in my heart,
you feel away.
I feel away. And then when I look on the lineup, I'm saying lineup. I'm saying, but the two songs alone them have. I only have one song. I only have piece of song. Oh, that's something record. I have more than 12 number one. Oh, this record. But true, you're not in a circle.
Yeah.
Two of them set dancehall now. You're in a circle. But so what now? You're not sleep. Get rid of 90s artists if you think on about.
90s, the rock.
Them can't move no 90s artists out of this. No 90s artists. Or respect to all the artists who come along. And we can name some name from the popcorn and just like a massacre tell us same bad like 90s dancehall.
Yeah.
Him know the truth. And like them know the truth. I do one of them and all of them. Them know the truth. So 90s artists, them are the baddest of the artists. Them no matter where them no cure man one DJ. The greatest thing. Me can DJ not for them style.
Them can't
DJ not our style.
Believe you. I'll ask you a question, Jiggsy. Because there was a time in Tony's career where he moved over and became a part of Lost. People were saying that there was animosity between Jiggsy and Tony because Tony sell out and cut left Jiggsy. Was there any animosity?
It was no war between me and Tony Curtis. Him got join the Lost, singer, so they go and do them thing together. But remember sing and DJ now, so they go farm the Lost. And by right, it is Banky. A Banky, respect Banky, a Banky really put the Lost together. Banky, big up as a Banky, a Banky really put them together.
So there was no animosity?
No, man. No, can't go on. Because I sing so much giant song and if Curtis want to go back to busy, we never hold him back. No man put no rope to no man. If I want to go over this song, left me over here, so we just know, so we sing up a number one song together.
Yeah.
And time I come, it I go prove, say, you over there, so me over here, so, but I really saw the thing there.
Yeah.
Because it might find 2 or 3 hit song with something there, but me have so much song where it's unbelievable.
You can't undo the history. Yeah,
It's unbelievable.
Jiggsy, looking at the career,
Yeah.
is there anything that you would change looking back? Anything where you say, yo, if I couldn't do over that something, I would do that different?
No, sir.
No regrets?
They still take Ivan backside way.
Yeah, still take Ivan back.
Yeah, Ivan backside way.
Yeah, because it's a part of education,
yeah,
don't
still take Ivan back hand, you know. As all you say, you know, struggling half a day night thing, brother. Struggling half a day night thing, brother. So any youth at all will feel like say you can just get up and just sweet. No. Hard time make you be who you is. And you can't know where you come from. You hard time, brother. Hard time come strong, brother.
Struggles make you stronger, man.
Struggles, brother. Because some man just feel say, I hear me, like the generation here now. $3 million today, you know. Where you get $3 million today, youth? Where you get $3 million today?
Yeah.
Where you get $3 million today? Tell me now. Where you get $3 million today? Do you them know what? Do you them know want to sit down and hold a meditation and just tell them, say, you know what? We try to put something together. No, the youth don't want it. No! Everybody when me know youth know me know the 19 and the 18, them want it right now. And problem I got did there, you know. Problem I got did there.
Jiggsy, you would have achieved a lot from the business.
Definitely.
What is your biggest achievement, your single greatest achievement as a dancehall DJ and musician?
I'm going to say something to you, you know. And when I say this, it's probably the first artist I'm going to tell you. One of the greatest things me achieve out of music, you know, the respect I get back from the people them. Me think to me, one of the best thing that, cause guess what? The money, I never man see no money, you know, and no big house and a big car, you know. So me get a bicycle or a tricycle in my life, me happy feet. So me believe, and this is my thing. When that been the biggest thing, me have so many people who want me go.
Respect.
Show me that respect
Love.
because the love when I put out, you know, them welcome me with such a arms, you know. Want to listen to me good when me talk. Teach them.
Yeah.
You sure I'm teaching them? Want to listen to me good. Want to stop show off on people. You hear me say? Stop show off on people. Cause guess what? People make we buy the big house. People make we buy the car. People make that's a nice girl we have in our house. how you getting money to maintain her?
People.
A people you know, yeah, let me tell you something. You know, you have some youth where hustle on the road, we are sell them weed, you have some of them we are sell them Heineken, you have some taxi man that run the road hard, just we come at the dance hall and just come at the stage show.
You come to them favorite
if the
artists.
promoter put out $3 million, he want to make back $1 million for fee money. You know? So if you pay with money and it's an empty land, he not feel good. So we have to learn to start respect people and stop show up on people. Dancehall artists, no matter where you come from, no matter who it is, no matter if you're 90s artists or not just come artists, we have to learn to respect people. Respect every sound man. When a sound man send him money, come and tell us, say, boy, me have this here, tell a sound man, say, boy, oh, where you go? Change it, US can't do that. Change it can't do what? He last time I check change it, US, you know.
Sir King, every entertainer upon their entry in the business have something either at the front of their mind or the back of their mind what them hope to achieve out of the music. Is there anything that you haven't achieved yet where you want that something there?
They like to have a Grammy, you know. They like a Grammy, but me can't get a Grammy, me right with a Bammy still. They like it a Grammy, but them dance but you are going now. But they pan around here again, people, you don't know, say, 50 they close. So you are going now, people. Maybe be honest with them, because someone like keep the thing real, you know. You know, I have a new album with drop, you know, I don't try to run the thing too fast, you're the teacher.
Yeah, man. We'll get to that still.
No, me know, but you are going now. Some of them love football, you know, so.
Yeah.
Get a little mini stadium for myself. You know, probably when the thing, you know, when 70s and 80s come, we can sit back with the youth there, man, you know. Sit back with the youth there, man. We have some youth where we can send them go to America and send them go and send them to and achieve some money. Yeah, the money still can, you know, the money come off and give me the weed and my album them said. So yeah, so if them want them time in the 70s and 80s, they want Grandpa Jiggsy go DJ. What you talking about, man?
Yeah.
Give me the weed.
Yeah. Family life, Father King.
Always.
Kids. How many?
Ah, boy. I said my bad still about 6 daughters and 6 baby mother.
Oh, so it was a 6 daughter, 6 son.
No, sir.
6 daughter, 6 baby mother.
6 baby mother. But you know me
You don't get that son.
I don't get the buggy on now. Yeah, this now. It's not a joke thing.
Yeah.
A man I say, if I watch the moon. Brother, watch the moon till me jump asleep. A man said, no man, no, treat them chicken. Man say, put you over there, sir, brother.
You put you over there,
Put you over there so a girl still wake up. I say, hey, that man, drink this, man.
You drink that.
Drink this and that. Go, and so, boy. And girl come again.
Yeah.
So, you know me now, I live everything.
That works.
I live everything like father and
so
brother.
like you still look for it though, Jiggsy.
You better believe. No, big up Nisha Winter.
Yeah.
Nisha Winter King, you know.
Okay.
Big up yourself, you know.
I queen that.
No, may have a little misunderstanding.
From time to time.
Yeah, you know, but you are going on, no. Brother's not perfect. It's not on him alone. And you know, but you know, as I say, remember me tell you from early about my life, you know.
Yeah.
Say, nah, I'm the Jiggsy, and me that Joan want to woman save me.
What has Jigsy King been up to recently?
Why you take so long to ask that? Alright, my new album just dropped.
Name?
My new album just dropped. Album name, Make Space for the General.
Yeah.
Album name,
Yeah.
Make Space for the General. They don't know, big up Berissa, man. Big up Fata. Some Marshall. Big up all of the general, Duron, Barrington, leave with them. Big up all the general, and we say, alright, Jigsy King, we're going to support them because your heart are like gold.
Yeah, so I'm taking it that.
Yeah, so what?
So Barrington and Berries is on the album.
Me have Barrett, yeah, and Berries on the album. Me have AJ Brown.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the AJ Brown.
I'm familiar with the name, man, but when I hear that one there.
When I hear that one, they call me back. Me have AJ Brown. You know, me have me and Tony Curtis.
Naturally.
Then me have me and Fantan Moja.
Yeah.
Then me and Fantan Moja, they pan it.
Yeah, I hear that one.
Yeah, just go listen to some of the track. Listen to
where
track with me
where
and
can they
Berries.
find it?
It depends every digital platform in the pan.
iTunes, Spotify.
Everything just going to look in him, make space for the general.
Is this your first album though?
No, man, first album?
No, because people have singles upon singles, you know, Jiggsy, and every man have albums.
Them. Me, first album, me give a VP, my thing, I got through. The first album got a VP name I Forget You. Alright, 2 months, number one song I then time there. VP put out I Forget You, and at the same time, Mr. Palmer them drop the next album name Rapper Pam Pam with me drop. Then the next year after me drop Ashes to Ashes.
So albums have been released before.
5 albums I done.
5 albums.
Yeah, 5 albums I done.
This one is
no, this one
independent.
Not really. I really burst them and fatter them, but a VP really a struck tight.
How is the album doing though?
So far, the report where I get, those job, a streaming really do the thing.
Yeah, man, a streaming, man.
Love my woman, man, so she office stay close. Me don't know some 100, but me can't sleep alone. Call the airport and cancel my flight. Me and my woman have a lockdown tonight. House without a woman that can't feel right.
Never.
My push low at the beat of my life. So burn candle burn, but them can't out the light. From a true love girl, me find extra vibe. Cha!
The one they got.
Me and
you
Barry
just need the right push. The song with the Barry, so the title. Love is getting stronger.
Love getting stronger.
Yeah. For the people them who have been asked for Jigsy King. You understand? What you have to tell them, sir?
But they haven't gone away, Because they are putting some serious work, real serious work, Just in the studio, just from the house to the studio to the ball field,
Yeah.
And most people know say you can find me almost every day up at Dental Technical High School because I just tell myself someone spend more time with the youth them up at Dental because I want to win the cup.
You're an active member of the management team for the Dental.
Yeah, definitely. Let me that back there, because they need to see something. Let me that back there, because they need to see something. Let me that back there. You try let me that back there. No, watch this now, people. Watch this now. Zoom up. So you can say, me no leg on my Dental. Straight through. Yeah, man, so the Dental forever, brother. You don't know, I'm a bona fide friend like a brother, It's a Burke,
For the people them out there who want to find Jiggsy, whether it is to do a dub plate or a booking, whatever it is, how they go about doing it.
I'm around to give you my number,
Yeah.
But make sure I call about business.
Yeah.
That is 1876 379 7033. 1876 379 7033. Just call your brother, man, and talk to your brother, because right now, don't know going to people.
Jigsy
Madam
King
Body,
is still around. Still
no,
recording.
I'm not going. Listen.
Still performing.
No, I'm talking about you about still. Pan the back of field and me just now come off. So them soft. Paint pan wall one rub off. No make them for trick them and tell them to run off. Cause click. Me not gonna miss. Anyway. Stillwater Lake Field. Over when them bake seal. Them fake like the Chinese rice. Plastic daydream. Light bulb. Door angle. Burn them up no fork angle. Take risk. My wrist. No silver. Gold bangle. Bada yard. Bada brad. Outer road. The jungle. You this teacher job. Boof. Green mango, 5 gram. Walk to Trinidad after EU. Back from the link of teacher. Pound the back of field and we just now come off. So them soft. Paint pan wall one rub off. Don't make them for trick them and tell them to run off.
Click.
Them boy are surfers, workers. Them leap like the frog them. Leap people try that. Searcher, churchyard, black clothes balling. Runaway Sweden, Magnum 9. Short like the weekend, Cold Breeze, Speartown, Proback, Portmore, Wheelchair, Sit Still, Wick Shift, Tick Jill, Four Can, Rabbit Foot, Big Bill, Chainsaw, Jason, Cuban, Matola, White Nine. What me have? Name Sammy Sosa, Big Bell Millie, Slim me down. No opera, on the back of field, and me just now come off. Listen, people, songwriter, so. I'm a general this name Burke. See, I may have a new song we are come out right now. See, how it go, Burke?
Come on and love somebody. Come on and love somebody.
Now listen to me now teach.
Love somebody. Come on and love somebody. Love somebody.
Now listen to me now.
Come on and love somebody.
Now hear me now. Me call her water roll, she staying wet. Me call her two and she love take. She must receive her, she love get. Adidas tracksuit, girl stay sweat. I full of water like a onion cup. Spurling a million toes. Sliding, lava erupt. So me clip me finger like a me name erupt. Gala pass, freeze and stuck. See yet, boom, feed the bench stuck. But got to.
What's next for Jigsy King though?
Next month, the 8th, I'm supposed to go Bahamas. Go Bahamas. The ending night. The ending night, me at the one Caribbean Island. March me there, something in a March me there, me in America, two places in America. Me have Sunfest me go do, me and Curtis now, so scatter and Joe them big up in the safe, you know. Long time we are knock on the door and it finally come true, you know, for Sunfest, so, you know. We're on dancehall night. Dancehall night. Them bring up a dancehall night for Sunfest, you know. So, you know, so most of the youth, them will never get to see me sing all them great songs. Them finally got to see me sing great songs, and then me have so much new song. Brethren, right now, Leng! Big up Mr. Leng, cause Sting there again, you know.
I know, man.
And Len called me and said to me, say, you book already, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? So, and not even that, Sunsplash.
Yeah.
Sunsplash is back again to so.
You know you're Leng favor.
No, I have a problem, you know. I have a problem,
so Sting, Sunfest, Sunsplash.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sunsplash and the whole of
but
them.
You're busy, Jiggsy, man. It's a good thing to find, you know. Big brother, really and truly appreciate the one taking the time out for the reason with the eye. Because the reality is that no matter how you cut it, no matter how you go around it, you pay your dues. You understand? As me say, it's a joy, brother. Zane, it's an honor. Brother, big up yourself.
Now you may not teach them the no band like you, no time at all. Teach them. You know you're big, you're bad and heavy. Anything this teach them, I go bury teach them. You know you're big, you're bad and take it to them, teach them the no band like you, no time at all. Now you may not teach them. Give me the weed, go and ganja weed, and I burn it down. Teach them, I tell them, say, give me the. Now you may not teach them. Rub it up to the mat and them soul. Have them under control, teach them. For the girls, them, teach them, tell them, girls, cock up in them at tea and ride. One of them at tea and them don't look nice. Teach them, tell them, cock up them at tea and ride. Girl, real up. Girl, you know a road, girl, close and girl can see so. Girl, me know. Girl, dance butterfly, have the latest style. Tell them, teach them, girl, I forget about the girl, want your body bad. Nobody can tell me you're no gift from. Girl, any man you want, you can get. Face a take life on your body perfect. Girl, a fuss, a fight over your man. Girl!
Teach them! Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.